welcome back. Today I'm building this 1:144 scale TIE fighter from Bandai. This boxing comes with two kits, a regular TIE fighter and a TIE Advanced, but today I'll just be building the TIE fighter. Despite its small size, I had a lot of fun building this little kit. I have many Bandai kits because I'm so amazed by their level of detail, and I do plan to build them eventually on this channel, so make sure you're subscribed whenever I dig them out of the stack of shame. Although the kit snaps together very tightly, I still use a little bit of glue because I want to try to eliminate some of the joints later. I drilled out the laser cannons for a little bit of added detail. While the fit on the kit is excellent, I still use a little bit of Mr. Surfacer 500 to get rid of some of the more prominent joints where the parts come together. Once dry, it's quickly sanded to blend the parts together seamlessly. I primed the model with Mr. Surfacer 1500 Black, thinned with Mr. Leveling Thinner. I find thinning it about 1 part paint to 1.5 parts thinner works best, and I build up light coats to avoid obscuring the very fine detail on this kit. Because the kit doesn't come with any transparent parts, I painted the areas that are supposed to be glass with Tamiya lacquer gloss black. Next, I used rubber black and a very dark gray, both highly diluted, to add some variation to the black on the solar panels on each wing. I removed the front cockpit glass. I mistakenly installed it too soon, not realizing it needed to be a little bit different color. I masked it using Tamiya masking tape. Cutting the tape directly on the part didn't work out as well as I hoped. I think next time I should use the sticker sheet as a template and try to cut out individual pieces and then apply them. The top hatch where the pilot enters the vehicle also has some small glass pieces that I need to tape off. Again, in hindsight, I probably should use the sticker as a template next time. If I was a little better at video editing, this would be the perfect time to cut in that old SpongeBob SquarePants gag where the narrator says, "Many hours later." After checking some references from episode 4, it looks like the canopy glass frame is a little bit darker gray than the rest of the TIE Fighter. For the main color, I found a combination of Mr. Colors 338 and 308, mixed equally to about 50-50, came out to be just about the right color for a TIE Fighter from A New Hope. Even at this small scale, I want to create a little bit of a weathered effect, so I marbled the paint on and built it up more in the center of the panels, avoiding the panel lines a little bit to create a sort of panel-lined effect without having to actually go back and apply any additional weathering. The last bit of final assembly was very straightforward. Let's check out the final result. for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider leaving a comment down below with some feedback. Let me know what you think about the model or the video, and if you like what you see, I hope you'll consider subscribing. See you next time.